Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a split cup pour, but before we get there, I want you to check my description box if you are maybe interested to meet me in person, because I will have a solo exhibition and teaching one class in New Hope, Pennsylvania in April. Excited, nervous, everything, because for those who know me, I don't like to fly, but I will. So check the description box if you are interested in meeting me in person. I would love to meet you in person. So to today's pour I will do a split cup, and I have this color palette that I really like. I like olive greens and kind of deep reds. I have olive green light, I have titanium white, burgundy, magenta, iridescent gold, and olive green deep. I don't know, I really like those olive greens with some dark red, and magenta is for some brightness, and gold, so we will see how this will work. So I will layer those in my modular split cup that it's available on Fluid Art Co website. That link will be in the description too, if you want to order one. It's a nice tool because you can, change your departments from 1 to 6. So yeah, let's do that. I didn't do just a normal split cup for quite some time. Okie doke. I will pour a little bit of flow extender around just to help my paint flow. I really like greens and kind of purples or dark reds together, because this burgundy, it's more on the purple side, not on the red side. It's Winsor and Newton brand of burgundy. I'm kind of tempted to rag this a little bit. Just this part here. And I will grab a corner catcher, just a cardboard, you know. Oop. Because I wanted to keep some of that magenta parts with the green there, so I didn't want to lose that, so I wanted to catch it. Let's work on the composition a little bit. I want to tilt a little bit of this off. And just a little bit to that side. Kind of like it, this orientation. Just stretching out the lines a little bit. I somehow managed to get a drip, so I want to tilt a little bit this off. Just to give it a little more movement here, or how can I say? Yeah, I will call this one done because I like it. I'm really happy with the movement of this one because of this dark olive green here, and look at those little flowers or blooms, not flowers, blooms. They're just so beautiful on this dark olive green. And I wanted to keep some of that purple, not purple, pink, burgundy, kind of. It will be a little darker. And here is some gold, you know, here, that will hopefully give a little shine. And here too, sparkle. So, yay! I can't wait to see it dry. I really love those colors together. So stay tuned for the dried results. So here she is dry, and I really, really love it. I love the look when I look at her from here, and when I come closer, I just love those details. I just want to show you that this is gold, and a little of that burgundy and magenta, like a little blooms. I just love those colors together too. Love this part too. It's hard to show the shimmer of gold, but I like the flow, like the composition, like the colors. So yeah, I like it. Tell me, what do you think about it? Check my description box if you want to meet me in person in New Hope, Pennsylvania next month. You can come say hi. Check the description for more info, and thanks for being here. See you again on the next one. Bye.